Alright guys, let's review for your DGP quiz. We're going to use this sentence, my nephew Cole wants a transformer for his birthday, to identify the parts of speech, the parts of a sentence, the sentence type, and how to capitalize and punctuate it. So take a minute on your own and pause this video to try and figure out what each word is and its part of speech that goes with it. Make sure you're using your Monday notes. Alright, let's take a look. My nephew Cole wants a transformer for his birthday. My is a possessive pronoun. Nephew is a common noun. Cole is the proper noun. It is specifying which nephew. Wants is the action verb. A is an article. Transformer is a specific toy, so it is also going to be a proper noun. For is a preposition. His is a pronoun. And birthday is a common noun. I'm sure you got those all correct. Now let's take a look at the parts of a sentence. Use your Tuesday notes to figure out the subject, the verb, if the verb has a direct object, and then if there are any phrases in this sentence. Alright, let's see how you did. So if we're looking at our parts of speech, we know that wants is the verb in the sentence. But first, we have to figure out who wants a transformer for his birthday to find our subject. So when we ask ourselves that, we know that the subject is nephew. Then we need to decide if wants is a transitive or an intransitive verb. Remember that a transitive verb has a direct object, while an intransitive verb does not. So in order to find a direct object, we ask ourselves, subject, verb, what? So the nephew wants what for his birthday? That's right, a transformer. So transformer is our direct object. That makes wants a transitive verb. Now let's find phrases. We know that for is a preposition. So for his birthday is going to be a prepositional phrase. We also have another phrase in this sentence, Cole. Cole is specifying which nephew. So that makes Cole in a positive. Hooray! Our next step is to figure out what type of clauses and sentence type this sentence has. Take a second and use what you've done on the previous two activities to figure out what clause or clauses are in the sentence and then what the sentence type is. Based on our parts of a sentence, we know that nephew is the subject and wants is the verb. So when you have one subject and one verb, you know the whole thing is just going to be one clause, which will make it an independent clause. One independent clause equals a simple sentence. Wasn't that easy? Next, go ahead and capitalize and punctuate this sentence. Remember to use what you did on the first sentence with the parts of speech so that you remember what you should be capitalizing. When we look at capitalization, the first thing we're going to capitalize is my. We're capitalizing my because we always capitalize the first letter in the beginning of a sentence. Next, we're going to capitalize the C in Cole, since Cole is a proper noun and proper nouns are always capitalized. We're also going to capitalize transformer because it's a specific toy that Cole wants for his birthday, making it a proper noun. We are then going to put a period at the end of the sentence. I guess if you're excited about it, like Cole would be, you could put an exclamation mark. Remember, you have some optional commas as well. Since Cole is in a positive, you could separate his name with commas. However, It's okay if you don't. They aren't necessary. Woohoo! Congratulations! You're done reviewing for your DGP quiz. If you didn't catch everything, make sure you rewind and review again. If not, come see me for tutorials and we can do this with this sentence or another one. But always make sure that you're using your notes. If you don't have your notes, you can always get them off Edmodo or off Miss Johnson's website. Have a great night!